Are you tired of dealing with uncomfortable constipation? Say goodbye to discomfort with our easy and effective anti-constipation remedy. With just a few simple ingredients, you can create a natural solution to help promote healthy digestion and regularity. Here's what you'll need: 2 tablespoons of garden cress, 1 glass of hot water, some drops of lemon juice. Garden cress is a powerful ingredient that is known for its ability to relieve constipation and promote bowel movements. It's rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making it an excellent choice for improving digestive health. Hot water helps to stimulate the digestive system and soften stool, making it easier to pass. Drinking hot water can also help to relax the muscles of the digestive tract, reducing discomfort and bloating. Adding a few drops of lemon juice to the remedy not only enhances the flavor, but also provides additional benefits. To make this anti-constipation remedy, simply mix the garden cress with hot water and add a few drops of lemon juice. Say goodbye to constipation and hello to relief with this simple and natural remedy. Don't forget to follow us for more fresh and easy recipes like this one.